सुनो, approximation. What do you understand by approximation? The formula is this: f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash. F of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash. Now, say for example, my question is f of x is equal to 65 एक काम करो cube root of 28. F of x is equal to cube root of 28. Find approximate value of cube root of 28. ठीक है. Now what we are going to do is, सबसे पहले I will write f of x is equal to 27 plus 1 raised to 1 by 3. ठीक है. So this also looks like if I compare with f of a plus h is equal to 27 plus 1 raised to 1 by 3. 27 plus 1 raised to 1 by 3. Here I understand that मेरा value क्या क्या है सबसे पहले. So a becomes 27, h is the minute difference, that is 1, and according to the formula, f of x is equal to x raised to 1 by 3. f of x is equal to x raised to 1 by 3. ठीक है. f of x, because this is x raised to 1 by 3, and this becomes x raised to 1 by 3. So f dash x will become 1 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 3 x raised to minus 2 by 3. This is x raised to 2 by 3. Now I have x का value. तो basically देखो, f of a, f dash x, ये f dash x हो गया. Now if I put f of a, I have a का value, because the formula is f of a plus h into f dash. Now f of a will become, this is my f of x. So this will become a raised to 1 by 3, which is 27 raised to 1 by 3, which is equal to 3. And f dash a will become 1 upon 3 into a raised to minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 27 raised to minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 cube into minus 2 by 3. ये 3 निकल गया, ये 3 निकल गया. So I am left with 1 by 3 into 3 raised to minus 2, which will become 1 by 27. And now I have all the data available put in the formula to find the approximate value. So the approximate value is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash a, which is approximately equal to, this is f of a, which is 3, and this is h, which is 1, into f dash a is equal to 1 by 27. This is approximate value. So if I do 1 by 27, okay, I can solve it as 3 plus 1 upon 27, which is approximately equal to 0.03704, which is approximately equal to 3.03704. So this is the approximate value of 28 का cube root using the formula, and this is the formula guys. This is your formula. The approximation formula is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash a. Now this is the first sum. Now if I choose one more sum for approximation, say for example, हाँ किसी ने बोला है कि f of x is equal to sine of 61 degree, where 1 degree is equal to 0.0174 radian and root 3 is equal to 1.732. Okay, 1.732. Now I can write this as that f of a plus h can be written as sine of 60 plus 1, where I have directly understood that a is 60 degree and h is equal to 1. F of x is nothing but sine x. Therefore, f of a will become sine a and sine 60 degree रहेगा. So basically this will become sine 60 degree, which is root 3 by 2, and this is root 3. If I divide root 3 by 2, this will become 0. 1.732 divided by 2. 1.732 divided by 2. So f of a will become 0.8 0.8660. ठीक है. Now this is f of x. Now f dash x will become cos x. Therefore f dash a will become cos a, which is cos 60 degree, which is equal to half. 60 degree, which is equal to half. Then f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash a, which is approximately equal to f of a, f of 60 degree. So 60 degree, if I have to tell you कि f of a is equal to 60 degree, this will become, this is the value of f of a, which I have found the value. So this will become 0.8660. I have h का value also. H का value is 1. And f dash x का value is into 0.5000. ठीक है. 0.8660 plus 0.5000, and if I add this, my answer would be 1.3660. हाँ h, एक मिनट, अरे हाँ, वन मोर थिंग. अब देखो ये तुम लोग को जो आंसर आया है, दिस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज ऑफ वन. हाँ, दिस इज द कॉमन मिस्टेक दैट पीपल डू, इसलिए मैं वो लिखा. द कॉमन मिस्टेक दैट पीपल डू, ये है ना 1 डिग्री है. हाउ मच इज 1 डिग्री? 0.0174. तो हियर ना, ये देखो 0.8660 प्लस 0.0174 into 0.5000. Did you guys understand this? And this is where you have to multiply this. And so you just have to be careful about the multiplication. 0.0087. And if I approximately add this, can you tell me what is the approximate value of this? 0.47. This is the approximate value. So nothing you have to do. You have to just make sure that, see, one blunder. अगर 1 को मैं 1 लेता था तो प्रॉब्लम होता था, but they have given the value. See this. This is the 1 का value. Did you guys understand this? This is the approximation. This is approximation. So now you guys will tell me, how am I going to do this? F of x is equal to cos of, f of x is equal to cos of 60 degree 30 minutes. Cos of 60 degree 30 minutes. Cos of 60 degree 30 minutes. बोलो. And same value will take. चल ठीक है. Same value. If I have to tell you, same values. I'll write here also. 1 degree is equal to 0.0174. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. अब सुनो ध्यान से. This is nothing but 30 minutes is nothing but half degree. 30 minutes is nothing but half degree. So see what I'm going to do. 30 minutes is nothing but 30 upon 60, which is nothing but half degree. Guys, how much is 1 degree? 0.0174. So 0.0174 को अगर मैंने 2 से डिवाइड किया, so can you tell me what will be the value? 0.0087. You want to continue up to 5 decimals? That's up to you. So 0.0174 को मैंने इससे डिवाइड कर दिया. तो my actual question becomes this. F of a plus h will become cos of 60 degree 60 plus 0.0087. So this is the value. कि 60 degree and 30 minutes is nothing but this degree. So if I compare, guys, what is A? 60 degree. What is H? 0.0087. Did you guys understand this? Now tell me, what is f of x? What is f of x? Cos 60 degree. Cos x. So if I start here, so f of x will become cos x. Therefore, f dash x is equal to minus sin x. F of x is equal to minus sin x. Therefore, this is f of x. So f of a will become cos a, which is nothing but cos 60 degree. Guys, how much is cos 60 degree? It is half. And f dash a is equal to minus sin a is equal to minus sin 60 degree. Minus sin 60 degree is minus root 3 by 2, which is minus minus 1.732 divided by 2 minus 0.8660. And I've got all the values. See, h is this 0.0. Therefore, f of a plus h will become, guys, f of a का value is half plus h is this 0.0087. 0.0087 multiplied by minus 0.8660. And when you simplify this further, your final answer would be 0.4924 is the final answer. This is the approximate value. This is the approximate value that we solve. This is how we find the approximate value of any given data. Now, let's take log का sum. Now, the question is this. F of x is equal to, we have to find the approximate value of log 1016 to the base 10. Okay, ये value निकालना है, where given that log e to the base 10 is equal to 0.4343. Now this is given to you, a very good sum, a very important sum, a very good sum and a very important sum. So सबसे पहले I am going to simplify this. See, this is log x to the base 10, which can be written as log x to the base c upon log 10 to the base e, because they have given a data with respect to log e to the base 10, which will become log x to the base 10 into log 10 to the base log e to the base 10, and this will become, this इसका value है मेरे पास, which is nothing but 0.4343 into log x to the base 10. ठीक है, how many of you have not understood this? क्या हुआ?
How do you make log 10 to the base 10 log e to the base 10?
1 upon log 10 upon log e, which will become log e upon log 10, which will become log e to the base 10. नहीं समझा? This went in the numerator, no? Did you guys understand this? So, a very important sum. ये बहुत important sum है guys. Because this data is given to you. हाँ, अगर नहीं दे रहता था तो we could have solved it normally. Now, what would we do here? The basic understanding of the sum is, I have got my f of x. So what I can do is, I can do f dash x here only. So f dash x will become 0.4343 upon x. I have got the derivative. Now, I can write this as f of a plus h as log of f of a plus h as, ठीक है, this is f of x, देखो f of a plus h will be log e to the base 10, ये तो नॉर्मली रहेगा. सो सबसे पहले ना आई कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, देखो यहाँ पे लिखते हैं, इसके साइड में लिखते हैं, सी f of x आई कैन राइट एज log of 1000 plus 16 to the base 10. अब मुझे देख के मालूम पड़ रहा है कि if I compare it with, see देखो, if I compare it with f of a plus h, f of a plus h can be written as log of 1000 plus 16 to the base 10, where I know that my a is going to be 1000, my h is going to be 16. Now my f of a will become 0.4343 into log 1000 to the base 10, which will become 0.4343 into log of 10 cube to the base 10, which will become 3 into 0.4343, which is equal to, and if I multiply this, 3 is a 9, 4 is a 12, 4 is a 12, 13, 1.3029. I hope the calculation is correct. बराबर है ना? ठीक है. एक्चुअली तुम लोग थोड़ा इजी करो क्या, एक काम करो, मैंने डेरिवेट किया था ना सिर्फ, let's make it easier for you. चलो, I'll do something easy for you, so तुम लोग का problem ना हो. Let me do this. Okay. Wait. Do the same thing. Let's do it something. तो इसको ना ऐसे ही रखते हैं. Let's do it. Let's keep it like this because f of x है. तो इसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है because I can directly substitute x का value is 1000. When I differentiate this, it will become 1 upon x log 10 to the base e, which will become log e to the base 10 upon x. Just do for this because it will become easier for you that this will become, we got the same answer, 0.4343 upon x. This is f dash x. So for f of a na, it will become easier for you. देखो f of a will become log of 1000 to the base 10, which is 3 log of 10 to the base 10. Guys, what is 10 to the base 10? It will become 1. तो मेरा आंसर f of a हो गया 3. I've got f of a का value 3. अच्छा, can anyone tell me what is h का value? 16. Now tell me what will be f dash है. See, यहाँ पे ही देखो f dash है. तो f dash क्या हो जाएगा बताओ? 0.4343 upon 3. What is a का value? What is a का value? 1000. तो 3 कैसे आ रहा है? a का value is 1000 ना? This is 1000. Now when I substitute this, f dash a will be, क्या हो जाएगा बोलो? 0.004343 नहीं समझा, एक और जीरो आएगा, पहला बराबर की करते हैं 0.00044343. Now I've got all the value, so therefore f of a plus h will be approximately equal to, guys, what is f of a? What is f of a?
3.
3 plus what is h?
16.
16 into 0.004343. When you when you substitute this of 16 into 0.4343, very small answer, 0.0069. इसको approximate लेते हैं, 69488 पूरा आंसर लिखना है. So my final answer is approximately equal to 3.006949. This is the approximate value of log a. A very important sum just because this is given to you. Remember this, guys. ये बहुत important sum है because this is given to you. ये नहीं दिया रहता था तो इतना difficult नहीं होता, फिर इतना difficult नहीं होता, but this data is given to you.
Not the other way wrong. Other method. Because you got a different answer in the other method.
See, your basis, this will become 10 only.
Yeah.
So you don't have to substitute e. But here when you derivate, you don't have log 10 का value. You have log e to the base 10. And they have not said that क्या मेरा base क्या है. They have said that the मेरा base e हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Because the question is this ना, this log x to the base 10. So this become 1 upon x log 10. It will also have a base which is e because this value is given to you. So ये e के साथ base हो गया. That is what is different. Now if I substitute this here, it will become too tedious because I am already getting to the base 10. अब ये भी 10 हो गया, तो what is log 10 to the base 10? 1. So why am I substituting e? It will become more complicated for me. So since it's already becoming 1, I will not touch it. I will not bother it. Did you understand this? पक्का? Now, अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आया नेक्स्ट, ठीक है, find the approximate value of f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5 at x is equal to 1.99. Now this is given to me at x is equal to 1.99. A very good question. ये बहुत easy question है. If I have to tell this to you. Now see this. इसको ना सबसे पहले I will write this as 2 minus 0.01. I have to split this. I can't split this. So my a will become 2 and my h will become minus 0.01. My a will become 2 and my h will become minus 0.01. So now, देखो ध्यान से. Can you guys tell me what will be f of a? It will become a cube minus 3 into a plus 5, which will become 2 cube minus 3 into 2 plus 5, which is what? 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 5, 7. Now let's do f dash x. f dash a. पहले f dash x कर लेते हैं. So सब यहाँ पे करते हैं. Can you guys tell me what will be f dash x? F dash x 3x square minus 3. Can you tell me what will be f dash a? 3 into what is a? 2. 3 into 2 square minus 3, which is 9. 12 minus 3 is 9, and I have h also. So the final formula is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash a, that is 1 by 9, which is approximately equal to 7 minus 0.01 upon 9. Guys, what will this be? What is 0.01 upon 9? What is 0.01 upon 9? बोलो. 0.00 बोलो. 0.00 एफ डैश है ना. एफ डैश एक वैल्यू 1/9 नहीं है, सॉरी, इट 9 ना.
1111
इंटू 9 हो जाएगा. कितना हो जाएगा फिर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 7 माइनस 0.09 विच विल बी अप्रोक्सीमेटली 6.91 and this is the approximate value. Now Rolle's theorem, we did one sum. We are going to do Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem in detail. So remember this. Now when they tell you that check validity, of Rolle's theorem, ठीक है, बोला है check validity of Rolle's theorem. The question is this: f of x is equal to x raised to 2 by 3 where x belongs to -1, 1. ठीक है. Now अगर चेक वैलिडिटी बोला है, चेक वैलिडिटी, ठीक है, सबसे पहले व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज कि वी विल फर्स्ट सेटिस्फाई कि ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. से फॉर एग्जांपल सबसे पहले अगर सिर्फ वैलिडिटी पूछा है, बट स्टिल ऑलवेज चेक कि एफ ऑफ एक्स इज अ पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन. इट इज continuous in closed interval. It is differentiable in open interval. Then I will check f of -1, which is -1 raised to 2 by 3, which is बाहर की मैं आ रहा हूँ. So this will become -1 the whole square raised to 1 by 3, which is 1, and f of all will also become +1 raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1 square raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 1. So now I have understood that f of -1 is equal to f of 1. Hence Rolle's theorem is satisfied. This is the first step where we understand that Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Now how to verify? I'll write, let there be a variable, say C, that lies in the interval, -1, 1. So सबसे पहले I'll find f dash x. f dash x is 2 by 3 into x raised to -1 by 3. So f dash c will become 2 by 3 into c raised to -1 by 3. My first derivative is equal to 0, so f dash c is equal to 0. Therefore 2 by 3 into c raised to -1 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to 0, and c is equal to 0 does not belong to -1, 1. Hence Rolle's mean value theorem is not verified. Hence Rolle's mean value theorem is not verified. ठीक है, वेरिफिकेशन नहीं है Rolle's mean value theorem because लास्ट का पार्ट एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रहा है. Hence Rolle's mean value theorem is not verified. नाउ समझो एक क्वेश्चन ये दिया है, ठीक है, वही है क्वेश्चन कि वेरीफाई करो. नो एफ ऑफ एक्स इज गिवन एज sin x plus cos x plus 7 where x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, where x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, ठीक है, where x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. सबसे पहले फंक्शन है, इट इज़ डिफरेंशिएबल एंड इट इज़ कंटिन्यूस, ठीक है। कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन, डिफरेंशियल फंक्शन, डायरेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं, मैंने एफ ऑफ 0 से स्टार्ट करेंगे। सो इट विल बिकम साइन 0 प्लस कॉस 0 प्लस 7 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 8। एफ ऑफ 2 पाई इज इक्वल टू साइन 2 पाई plus cos 2 pi plus 7 which is equal to 8, because sin pi is 2 pi is 0, cos 2 pi is 1. Therefore I will write f of 0 is equal to f of 2 pi. Hence Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Hence Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Now we'll write let there be a variable say c. सबसे पहले I'll find f dash x. Of f dash x will become cos x minus sin x. Therefore f dash c will become cos c minus sin c. Therefore 0 is equal to cos c minus sin c. Therefore sin c is equal to cos c. Therefore tan c is equal to 1. Therefore tan c is equal to 1. अब tan c 1 कभी कभी रहेगा, देखो tan c is equal to 1 मतलब tan of 45 comma tan of 225 which is 5 pi by 4. अब उसके बाद वाले वैल्यू ना सब 360 के ऊपर रहेगा। Therefore c is equal to pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. It belongs in 0, 2 pi. Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. तो ये वैल्यू pi by 4 या 5 pi by 4 पे Rolle's theorem verify होता है। Have you guys understood this? Has everybody understood this? No. If Rolle's theorem holds for f of x is equal to x cube plus px square plus qx plus 5, where x belongs to 1, 3, where c is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3. Find the value of p and q. अब देखो क्या बोले, रोल्स थ्योरम होल्ड्स ट्रू बोले, ठीक है, रोल्स थ्योरम होल्ड्स ट्रू बोले। होल्ड्स ट्रू मतलब सबसे पहले आई विल फाइंड f of 1. f of 1 will become 1 plus p plus q plus 5, which is nothing but p plus q plus 6. f of 3 will become 27 plus 9p plus 3q plus 5, which will become 9p plus 3q plus 32. Okay, now this is given to me. Okay, this is the first equation that is given to me. Now if I equate them, because f of 1 is equal to f of 3, therefore p plus q plus 6 is equal to 9p plus 3q plus 32. 8p plus 2q, 8p plus 2q is equal to minus 26. Therefore 4p plus q is equal to minus 13. ठीक है, अब क्या बोला है, देयर एग्जिस्ट, एंड बोला है कि वेरीफाई करता है। अब वेरीफाई करता है मतलब देखो क्या बोला, अगर वो बोला है कि वेरीफाई करता है, इट मीन्स दैट अगर मैंने इसको डेरिवेट किया, सी एफ डैश एक्स विल बिकम 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 2px प्लस q, एंड एफ डैश सी विल बिकम 3c square plus 2pc plus q, and the first derivative is equal to 0, और c का वैल्यू भी दिया है देखो, So it will become 3 into 2 plus 1 by root 2 the whole square plus 2p into 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus q. Now this will become 3 into a plus b the whole square will become 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 1 by root 3 है क्या? ठीक है, तो 4 plus 1 by 3 minus 4 by root 3 plus 4p plus 2, इसको एक काम करो, इसको ओपन ही करते हैं, 4p प्लस 2 रूट 2p ओके प्लस q अरे रूट 3 है, 4p प्लस 2p बाई रूट 3 प्लस q ओके इक्वल टू 0. अभी अगर मैंने इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया, देखो ध्यान से देखो, q के साथ कुछ नहीं है, 4p चाहिए मेरे को, 4p भी है, q भी है मेरे पास. अब व्हाट इज 4p प्लस q का वैल्यू? -13. तो देखो यहाँ पे देखो 4p प्लस q का वैल्यू -13 है. सो दिस विल कम 0 इज इक्वल टू 12 प्लस 1 माइनस 4 रूट 3 माइनस 13 प्लस 2p बाई रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. क्या प्लस a प्लस बी प्लस 4 रूट 3 बराबर. नाउ गाइस ये देखो निकल गया बराबर. सो आई विल गेट 2p बाई रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 रूट 3. देयरफॉर p इज इक्वल टू, ये हो जाएगा कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 टाइम्स 1 2 टाइम्स 2, सो ये हो जाएगा -6. अगर p का वैल्यू -6 हो गया, अगर p का वैल्यू -6 हो गया तो डायरेक्ट बताओ q का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा. p का वैल्यू -6 हो गया तो q का वैल्यू क्या रहेगा? 11. So these are the values of p and q. So p is equal to -6 and q is equal to 11. कुछ नहीं किया है, सेकेंड इक्वेशन में आई जस्ट गॉट दिस इक्वेशन, ये देखो इक्वेशन दिया है, ये सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया, बिफोर p प्लस q इज -13 आई हैव गॉट द आंसर. ओके नाउ Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem. So when I'm doing Lagrange's mean value theorem, समझो equation is this: f of x is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay, x1 in where x belongs to 0,4. थोड़ा लेंथी सम ले लिया हम लोग ने, ठीक है. अब Lagrange's mean value theorem का फॉर्मूला इज, Lagrange's mean value theorem का फॉर्मूला इज दिस: f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a upon b minus a. This is your a and b. f of b और f of a निकालना है. सबसे पहले if you want to find, before even opening, if you want to try, सबसे पहले f of a निकालते हैं. So f of 0 will become 0 minus 1, 0 minus 4, 0 minus 3. गाइस कितना हो जाएगा बोलो, बोलो -6. और अगर 4 डाला, सो 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 एंड 4 minus 3 कितना हो जाएगा 6. नाउ आई हैव टू फाइंड f dash x, बट पहले f of x करना पड़ेगा. सो देखो क्या हो जाएगा, x minus 1 इंटू x square minus 5x plus 6. And now if I expand, सुनो ध्यान से, if I expand, it will become x cube minus 5x square minus 5x square minus x square will become minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 11x. माइनस 6, तो एक्स क्यूब माइनस 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 11x माइनस 6, तो क्या इट इज़ अ पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन। तो देखो लाइन सेम रहेगा, मेरा लाइन सेम रहेगा, इट इज़ अ पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन, द फर्स्ट 3 लाइन्स आर गोइंग टू बी द सेम गाइस। वापस बोल रहा हूँ, देखो इट इज़ अ पॉलिनोमियल फंक्शन, इट इज़ कंटिन्यूअस इन closed interval 0,4 and it is differentiable in open interval 0,4. now f dash x निकालते हैं, चलो f dash x क्या रहेगा 3x square minus 12x plus 11, तो guys what will be f dash c 3c square minus 12c plus 11 minus 12c plus 11. now if I substitute this 3c square minus 12c plus 11 is equal to, what is f of b? f of 4. What is f of 4? 6 minus 6 upon b minus a. What is b? 4 minus 0. तो क्या हो जाएगा गाइस 3c स्क्वायर माइनस 12c प्लस 11, ये कितना हो जाएगा 12/4, 12/4, 12/4 3, so 3c स्क्वायर माइनस 12c प्लस 8 इज इक्वल टू 0. क्या करेंगे? How will I solve this? Tell me. कोई बताएगा? अरे I'm asking how to solve this. क्वाड्रेटिक मेरे को दिख रहा है, कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे वही पूछ रहा हूँ मैं. How will I solve this? 6 and 4. C is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 96 upon 6. C is equal to 12 plus minus 44, 48, root 48 upon 6. तो C is equal to 12 plus minus 12 times 4 is 48. तो कैसे करेंगे इसको? 48 is what? This will become 4 root 3 upon 6. This will become 2 plus minus 2 root 3 upon, एक बार इसको 6 कॉमन ले लेंगे, 4 कॉमन ले लेंगे, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो दिस विल बिकम 6 प्लस माइनस 2 रूट 3 अपॉन 3. अब देखो अगर मैंने इसको और स्प्लिट किया तो दिस विल बिकम 2 प्लस माइनस 2 अपॉन रूट 3, मतलब दो वैल्यू आएगा कि या तो c विल बिकम 2 प्लस 2 रूट 3 एंड 2 माइनस 2 अपॉन रूट 3. अब दोनों में से कौन लाई करता है 0,4 में? ऑन में ये लाई करेगा 0,4 में. 2 प्लस 2 रूट 3 विल लाई इन 0,4. 2 प्लस 2 रूट 3 लाई इन 0,4, वो भी लाई करेगा 2 प्लस माइनस, एक्चुअली दोनों लाई करेगा. सो सी का वैल्यू बिकम 2 प्लस माइनस 2 बाई रूट 3. इट लाइज इन द इंटरवल. दिस इज Lagrange's मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम. This is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Have you guys understood this? This is Lagrange's mean value theorem. ठीक है. This sum you guys will be doing now. Lagrange's mean value theorem का f of x is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 3. X belongs to 4, 5.